I absolutely love this protein shake, and I am going to tell you all the reasons why and make some so you can see it. Now, to start off with, this protein shake is my go-to after a workout when I need a boost of energy. This is so great. And I love that I can add any other nutrients I want to it to level it up, but it really doesn't need anything. It is enough on its own. It's also what I use if I'm in a hurry because I don't want to go without having a meal. So if I don't have time to make myself a meal or if I need a meal on the go, this is so good. It gives me the energy I need and it gives me all the nutrients I need. So let me talk about what's in it and then let's make it. I absolutely love that it has all this protein in it. That's what really gives me the energy that I need and helps me build muscle after workouts. As I get older, I just need to stay strong, and that's a priority to me, and that is one of the reasons I take this. Another is for gut health. I love that it has 2 billion probiotics, 2 billion CFU probiotics in it, which is really important to me. And then it gives me basically a multivitamin in a shake. It has all of these nutrients in it and all of these amino acids. You can look at those on the listing, but I'm just telling you right now that this is the full package. Now I like the chocolate, so let me show you. It's a very powdery chocolate. It's hard to show in video, but basically it looks like that. Now you can blend this in a cup, just put it in and stir it up. But I do find that that's a little more chunky, so I like putting it in my blender. I always start with the milk because if I put the powder in first, some of it gets stuck in the bottom. This is the same with a cup. Put the milk in first because you see the stuff that's stuck at the top. But the stuff at the bottom, you don't notice until you get to the bottom and you realize how much you wasted. And then I add my scoops, put on the top, blend it up. And there you go. Now when I drink this, I feel like it's so nutrient dense. It really fills me up. And I love that I can add more supplements to it. I'm not doing that this time because I just want you to see what it's like on its own. It's kind of a light brown color. Again, this is the chocolate. I really like it. There's no added sugar. There is stevia though, but I don't notice that stevia taste. I'm not the biggest fan of stevia, so I like that I don't notice it in it. And the chocolate, some people will say it tastes a little chalky. I actually really like it. It's a taste that's nostalgic to me from some protein shakes my mom used to have when I was a kid, which is really random, but I loved those protein shakes, so I really enjoy this. This definitely will fill me up. It's a great meal replacement or additive to what you're eating. I love having this with like a big bowl of salad. I hope you enjoy it as well.